ya said ye shemu Silver TV ya den samno e di ebrem na no pa de na chekakra because enre numre na ahomachi nyina sori etna se ye blasters fui na baako mienu miensa enan na chese o mama ni pa bre ti anopa de no se ye da bro so ya so ye nyoma kakra the my video do watch but I just say I don't pay a no there, bro. But I'm sure you're a Ghanaian, so you want the blasters. We don't normally do blasters on Silver TV, but what was your view about the blasters game? Then I will move for a blasters match. No, I know the Ebeye no more was Silver Media. There's another YouTube account. Called Silver Media. You said that one. Ebeye no. But what was your take on the blasters game? Boy against USA. And even the two matches against Mexico, you lose 2-0, and against US. What is your take on that? But then you have Kotoko stories. You have the seminal at the Abraham. Now, and I'm a Kotoko Bay training. I'm going to pay 1 more year training. Now, area I'm about friendly game. Because it's official. Asante Kotoko Nankasa announces a friendly game of a ball. Now, Abuama Bibia Akweyi. Na there are some injury news so I said your team here breaking it down at the mouth, which will do all that in our conversation this particular morning. So let's start it off with training news. Then we move on to other news. But before I go to that, there's this question that has been coming. That is Kumasi Asante Kotoko Adako Jachie project update. And correct. Last time I went there was about 2 weeks ago. But on Sunday, my boy back to go and observe things. I'm still waiting for answers. Into a study, I'm in person my card because I want answers. Personally, I'm confused. So I want answers because the last time I called the Abrantian or one catch them, and the course I'm a year to by and after almost 2 weeks there. It is expected. Say Kaba call will be woof for. But Quasiada, my Brantian call on the other by any year, the near honor. So now I'm communicating, it has become a bit of an issue. But bottom line is, for now, everything is static. As of Sunday, let me be static. Na BBS sign omeji second page no omeji awie omoji na omeji ato ase nsu ombo which has been going on for almost a month, if I'm not wrong. Do 1 month because you're starting league class here 1 month. Good. I think I expected from that time no new things will happen, but for now it is a bit quiet. And that is Adako Jachie for you. Project at the 2. When you talk about a building, what I can also tell you is that more 2 personalities almost building. One as a security in the morning and one in the evening. The other whilst they are watching the building, say a honor amount for the dime or hot about Kotoko so nti obi be hye ho no odi bone a wan obi o security o ha obetimi adi bone obi ehun. I hope you understand. Any unto one fan. So on no back da ho no me 2 they rotate. Now almost they rotate almost hand do ho. Also I have Kotoko gym na materials ho. So they need to secure those places. Kotoko na Ponsa project no. I'm not sure any inside they need to secure it. So there's a security person or head those 2 places. Pitch na Kotoko yesu training they also no. And the Omejama no what I was told is that they wanted to grow. Eventually so mobile ho adwuma na enyomoya a very smooth grass. And when you are training with no pressure, we just so come. So that's the Adako Jachie project update that I can give you. They made me the amount. And the entire Kotoko part we all know. Senka project in the news that the project will be ongoing all this time based on what the management normally are when it's a project it's a project in a course on a day no say tracks crest sign yaba na ye tutu forma dede no na team ye training e move through e mu dede so na quiet say the place cannot be secured for training. That is why they moved out of Adako Jachie to Paju no baba be training into enye prekope. It was to allow the place, for the construction to go on smoothly. But like I'm saying, on Sunday, I call on Nashi anyhow. I'm not just said nothing has changed. So there was no need to even take a video and nothing said. That's Omo be said Adako Jachie. And yes, I mean boom, many. But now I was waiting for something positive. Say before Robert Koho, let's move on to other issues. So I've answered that question. Nations FC game on Sunday and just small match. We a serious fella in soccer. Who can say Kotoko baby any baby catch them? Say baby any for say Kotoko I show back home. My boy draw back home. Until you do almost time. Some day on Mesha Asante Kotoko. I remember telling you the story. Nations FC camp, the few Obania said, Omo last 2 matches, Omo winning be. Omo winning 1, Omo lose 2, Omo draw 1 in their 4 matches. Omo an outstanding game against Midiema. Until the Omo can say, Omo Bokotko we are, Omo ko Great Olympics. Omo last home match, Omo ne Lagos City's ball draw. And Omo ko lose to Brekum Chelsea. Should they lose to Kotoko? Now, almost Olympics home, which is a 12 grounds, then also got the first one. There's a 4 matches or more 1 point. So they need the Kotoko victory with all seriousness. Can't see Mengo so no, the ticket kaka because Kotoko now fan Olympics and far. Yet me pamo. Nations match, nenya match ketwa. Men fan say oh ye club of free division 1 amba nti Kotoko fan a grosso Asante region. Kotoko e kwa kutua fan so. It is a tough game. We'll go on to those issues later. But my main first stories bro. When I'm a pack of the training, we are friendly game. Now the Asante Kotoko ye players near ball matches now can be train and pack. Those players will train in the morning. No more is expected some friendly game now be we are. Now my friendly game in importance to keep the fitness of the players. Because going a long week to say we're on board Friday. On Sunday, Emuwa normal position a friendly match back to improve the fitness of players near the bench to catch up with those at the top. And now, Asante Kotoko training back training back na Kotoko training now Kotoko. And the good news is that Dalad Ibrahim, Seidu, Ali the Seidu, which is the goalkeeper, Fatao Seidu rather goalkeeper, Frederick Kasare, Moise Poite, all present. Kestin Japan, Fuseni Sahaku, Samuel Asamoah, Sheriff Mohammed Dawuni Yaya, Henry Ansu, Yusuf Nuruddin, John Teleku, Nana Benyini, Nicolas Osei Bonsu, all present. Justice Blake, Che Yeboah, Che Jamana, Michael, Ando Sintimenu, Sheriff Mohammed, Eric Zeze, all present. Obia, the player. The report to them saying Wamba, Isaac Opon, Neymar, I won't recover from injury. To me, can't say we both dinner, we both players never won in the ding, Baba Yaba, my catcher say we are Julius Ofori Ziggy Aba, Ubiaba. The only player on by Isaac Opon, Neymar. Okay, I said Kotoko boy against Karela around the 33rd minute. The coach in the free move because they suspected an injury, and from there, the guy is having some challenges. It's Neymar. Asante Kotoko chita for moko transfer Mbompaya man say Isaac Opon bet me back na yakwe say edin wo yi e wo bibi because so I share Neymar very talented player but and I say Brazil ni Uruguay Neymar Kupra. So what affected the career part of Brazilian Neymar was injuries. Nti yakwe say bia Isaac Opon say Sanidin because I said Sunyani Neymar, very gifted player, very talented player. Kutabo na tumuse unim the other born here. But the dino Neymar now no I didn't so Neymar ne born they prepare na hana. And yakwe say asibisu ya Isaac Opon. Now for video analyst for ne year juma. Man 10 year juma pa. They take advantage of every situation be omenya. Also they record Kotoko's training. Oh, I'm recording. Into the coach in a chair or from. We are on say ujina run out whether the players are moving the way you want. To coach Ogum, we are. That's why I always talk about Ogum and why I'm because Bonabaso, because I'm branch here, no Ogum, Juma. Omu, we are. They sit down and watch the video to understand if indeed how they expected the players to move on the field. Nsana Moye. To hear Kwesiada, Ogum, the value to the scientific aspect of the game. To it, Muse. Omo ba board ni kuto video analysis for no so banoma ko tan top omo what three game no second half they come in with their input to help things in general. There was a serious video session don't say Kotoko ranting na tifie ba ko and say efro ni a chere say we na we using Tony ade no it becomes very very easy for the club, and that is one story that I can tell you. General Kotoko one training, unfortunately we are not come training in so a toy so brand to Kumase pa in the say it affected Kotoko's plan. So be training a year and Breno and Kotoko many training and Breno. But they took advantage of it. Now my catch nations match and everything. You come and do the analysis later. But what I can tell you is that Asante Kotoko so double up the preparation. The good news is that most of the players are back. And my coach in a wider range to pick a starting 11 from now on the association team. Yambo a technical team nabaso on their decision to add the scientific part of the game to help the game. And I'm not telling some year you want some camera no ubekonoma mounty emi no mounty no muti omo piece ho omo ya no more running it through. Ebu abun se na okula fraba top and I more fraba top no so to no more share. It goes down, communicate to the coach, most coach na free player no. When we say say, I'm gonna tell my language. You can watch them do it, but you will not understand their language. Ain't I not pay? Adako Jachie the training session, and I'm the injury issues, with the video session, and all the other news in the amount. It was a Obe TV. The outcome will be an rare, the Tenacia, the Bebremo. Until we meet again, adios and bye bye. Take good care of yourself.